Hey everyone, it's Anne. Hope you are having a great day. So I wanted to share another testimonial for Exitus Elite and also kind of go over some of the features of this amazing program to kind of show you why this program is one of the best money-making affiliate programs out there. So first, let me just start off by sharing I got another $2,000 sale the other day, and let me just show the results with you because showing proof that a program works is one of the best ways to show a person that a program is a good one and it is still working after 9 years. So Exitus Elite is still going strong, you guys, and it's actually my top program that I promote. I do have multiple streams of income, but Exitus Elite is one of the top programs that I promote because it is just such a great program. It has everything, and I'm going to share with you some bullet points to kind of cover why Exitus is a program that you will want to consider and hopefully join and start earning with all of us. So let me hop over here to Facebook, okay, and show you. So on the other day, so today is May 9th, so I believe it was on May 3rd. Let me see here. Yes, May 3rd. Got another email notification from Exitus. So every time you get a sale, you guys, you get an email from Exitus letting you know that you made some money. All right. So on May 3rd, I got this email notification and I got another $2,000 sale. So another person joined me at the G2000 level. So in case you aren't aware, we do earn 100% commission every time someone joins our program, and we do get paid directly to the payment processors that we set up in our back office. So we're not paid by Exitus Elite. We don't have to wait for a check. We get paid instantly, and it is pretty amazing and always exciting when we do get those email notifications. So this was one I made the other day. So this was 5 days ago. I got this $2,000 commission, and then just about a week prior to that, I received another $2,000 sale, and this was on April 18th. Okay, so this was fun. Actually, I was actually out in the garden pulling some weeds that morning, and came back in and saw that I had a $2,000 commission that came in for this program. So always exciting, you guys. So $4,000 in about a week and a half, and these are commissions that anybody can be earning, and I want that for you guys too. So hang with me for a few minutes. I'm not going to make this video long, but I do want to share some of the highlights of Exitus and how you can start earning with us. Okay, so what I want to do is jump over and show you some bullet points. Okay, why Exitus Elite could very well be the perfect program that you are looking for. All right, most likely if you're looking for a way to earn money from home, you've looked at a lot of different programs. There's some good ones out there. There's some really bad ones out there too. There's some programs that don't stick around for very long. All right, they may be good, you're earning with them, and then boom, one day they just disappear. They shut down, or they just fizzle out, and you have to go look for another program. So Exitus Elite is one of those programs. It's been around for 9 years and is still going strong, and that is why I'm still promoting it and still earning with it after 3 years, a little over 3 years now. So let's just cover a couple quick bullet points why Exitus Elite may very well be the perfect program for you. Okay, number one, you earn 100% commission. All right, not all programs pay 100% commission. You might get a percentage of a commission when a sale is closed for you or when you close the sale yourself. Here we earn 100% commission. Number two, you earn on various levels. So you actually can earn anywhere from $100, $250, $500, $1,000, and $2,000. And this just depends what level you choose to join at. And if you join at the higher levels, let's say you come in at the $2,000 level, which most people do, If someone joins you at one of the lower levels, you get paid on those, all right? If you join at a lower level, let's say you come in at $250 or $500 level, and someone joins you at a higher level, you will get a percentage of that, but the rest of it's going to roll up to the person above you who is at the higher level. So the higher you can come in at, the more money you're going to earn and the less money you're going to leave on the table. So if you're anything like me, you're going to come in as high as you can because I don't like leaving any money on the table. Number 3, the call center closes or actually answers your prospects' questions for you. So as a person is looking at your website, they might have a few questions. Instead of calling you or reaching out to you, they're going to have access to a phone number to call the call center, and there are professional closers at the call center who will answer your prospects' questions for you. They're really good at enrolling people and closing sales, so that takes us to number 4. The call center will close the sales for you, and that's where you're going to get the email saying, hey, you got a new member and you just made some money. Love it when the call center closes the sales for us. And just a side note, if the call center does close a sale for you, they do take 20% of the commission. So you would still earn 80%, which is really a huge amount, because I've been with other companies in the past, other programs, where the call center closes the sale for me and they take 50% and I get 50%. Here at Exitus, the call center would only take 20% and you would get paid 80%. So if you choose to use the call center, you do have an option to turn that feature off in your back office. If you want to close all the sales yourself, you don't even have to offer the call center. But a lot of people like that option because, you know, one of the great reasons to get into a home business is to kind of automate it. And that way you can just do your marketing and have the call center and the system do all the telling, selling, explaining, and closing for you, and you just make money. So call center is a great feature. A lot of us love it. Number 5, you never have to speak to anyone on the phone. Again, if you use the call center, you never have to speak to anyone on the phone because the call center answers your prospects' questions for you. Number 6, we kind of covered that. It's a stable 9-year-old company and just getting better all the time. All right, we have Wednesday night webinars with the owner, and he's always introducing new products, new features, new technology to make Exitus even better, so that all of us make more money. So it's a great opportunity, you guys. 9-year-old program and still going strong. You can't say that for very many programs out there these days. Number 7, you don't have to have experience to earn. So this is a newbie friendly program, you guys. Everything is set up in your back office, ready for you just to, go through and make a few clicks to activate everything. And everything is everything is in your back office explaining how you promote the program, how you market it. You don't have to be a marketing guru or someone who's been around for years and years to make money with this. We have a lot of new people getting on board here and having sales, all right? Number 8, you get paid directly and instantly to your payment processor, whether it's PayPal, Stripe, Cash App, Venmo, Square. You can accept cashier's checks, money orders, wire transfers. All that is in your back office waiting for you to set it up and decide how you want people to pay you, because we get paid directly from the member that joins us. All right, it is a direct marketing program. We get paid member to member. Again, the company Exitus Elite does not pay us. Our new members pay us, and so we can choose how we want to accept payment, and that's really a awesome feature. Number 9, it's a program that everyone can afford and get into profit quickly. So everyone can afford to get into Exitus Elite because, again, go back to item number 2. This program offers levels as low as $100. So a person could get started as low as $100 all the way up to $2,000. So it's not just limited to people that can come in at a higher level. So if you don't have a lot of money to get started, you can join at $100 and just pay the $49 admin fee. So for $149, you can get in to Exitus and get started. And by the way, I didn't make a note here in these bullet notes, there's no monthly fees, there's no annual fees with Exitus Elite. So you pay once for the level you want to get in at, and that's it, okay? Other than whatever marketing expenses you might choose to do. We have a lot of people that do free marketing. There's no monthly fees with Exitus Elite. It's get in and you're done. Number 10, there's lots of free tools to help you grow your business, and it's in your back office. So when you join as a member with Exitus Elite, you'll have access to your back office, and everything is back there. So it is a business in a box. All your capture pages are back there, autoresponder messages. You have access to set up a bridge page. You have everything back there. It is a business in a box, so everything kind of comes with the program. All right. Number 11, you have access to a vacation voucher worth up to $1,500 for a bunch of amazing vacation destinations around the world. And this is if you come in at the higher level, okay? You have access to a vacation voucher. So this is a great opportunity to get in, start earning money, and then go take a nice vacation, all right? So you'll get more information on that as you watch the video, which I'm going to share with you in just a little bit. Number 12, you have access to my personal bonuses to help you earn faster, all right? So in addition to whatever bonuses the company might be offering at a particular time, including the vacation voucher, I offer my team my own personal bonuses. So you'll want to reach out to me to ask what my bonuses are, but there's some really good ones, all right, to help you get off to a fast start and start earning. Number 13, 24/7 support. So there is a support hotline that you can reach out to Exitus at any time if you have any issues with the website, with setting it up, whatever there is, whatever issues you might be having, there is 24/7 support. And then also my phone number and email and information to reach me on Facebook would be available to you. So I'm available anytime you have questions, reach out to me. So I'll always be there for you when you're a member on my team, okay? So you'll always have my support. And number 14, etc., etc., etc. There is so much to offer here with Exitus. I didn't even go ahead and make all the bullet notes, but there's a lot. So yes, basically you could look for years and online, offline, to try to find something that would fit what you're looking for, to find the perfect business. I've looked around. I've been in many different programs over the years. Like I said, I've been with Exitus for 3 years now because it is one of the best programs out there. And just the fact that it's been around for 9 years, I want stability. I don't want to be jumping from one program to another all the time. So if you're looking for stability, you're looking for a great income, you're looking for a great program, great products, a great company owner, you want to get into Exitus Elite. All right, so let's hop over. I want to take you back over here and show you a little bit in the back office of Exitus. You're going to have access to all the tools back here. All right, so you're going to have access to marketing tools as far as where you can place ads, solo ads. All right, you're going to have all this back here to choose from. Everything is going to be back here on the side tab here to set up your capture pages, to get your marketing set up. You can check and see who is on your team and how many members they have. Everything is back here. You can check your earnings, all that stuff. All right, so Exitus is a great program, you guys. Let's see here. I think other than that, I wanted to show you the videos that you're going to be watching to learn more about Exitus. Now, it's going to be down below this video here on YouTube. I want you to click the link down there. It's going to take you to this page here. All right, and you'll be able to watch this 5-minute video explaining Exitus, how you can have $100 days all the way up to $2,000 days, all right? And this video here, a short video, will explain more about how the call center closes the sales for you. This is a new feature. They just launched it last December. So this is new, it's hot, it's awesome. The call center is really good at closing sales, so you want to take part in that. This short video will go into more detail about the compensation plan and how you're paid. So you get paid multiple ways, not just one time when someone joins you. There's roll up, there's pass up, there's multiple different ways that you can earn with Exitus Elite, and this video will explain that. And then this video here will cover what is in your back office. It'll cover all the products. The products are digital products, so you'll learn more about that as you watch this video. They're really good. They're being updated all the time. And then when you're done watching these, you can just go down here. You can click on the testimonial link here, and you can just hear some quick video testimonials from members who are already in Exitus, who are having results, and some that are brand new. They're sharing their testimonial about Exitus and how they feel about the program. It's always nice to hear from other people. And here, if you just click on this Genesis button here, it'll explain more about the products that come with the program. And then when you're ready to get started, you can just click this button here, the Join Exitus Elite Now button. It'll take you directly to my join page, and here's where you can select what level you want to join at. You want to start at the $100, the $250, the $500, the $1,000, or the $2,000, and this is where the majority of people do join, at the $1,000 or $2,000. And you'll just pay the one-time admin fee for the level. It'll take you to the next page, and that's where you will pay the one-time membership fee. Okay, and if you do have any questions, then you can just simply, let me see if I can go back here. Let's see, I don't know if my screen will let me. Hold on one sec. Let me see if I can go back. There we go. Okay. And then if you do have a few questions, just scroll on down here, okay? And here's the call center numbers. You can just call 321-221-5419 and get all your questions answered right there. If you don't have any questions, click this join button and get started. And I will be notified that you have joined, and I'll be reaching out to you right away, sending you your welcome letter and sharing the bonuses with you and helping you get set up and welcoming you on the team and into our Facebook group as well. If you do have any questions, also you can contact me. My personal information is down here. You could either email me or you can call me or text me, okay? But the system is set up where you don't have to have people reaching out to you personally if you don't want that, okay? You can just have people reaching out to the company directly and getting their questions answered that way. But most people do, watch these videos here, and it basically explains everything. So most people, I find, don't have any questions. They're ready to get started after they watch it because they're so excited, and they simply just click this button and get started. So I want that for you guys. I want you to find the perfect opportunity that you're looking for, and I think Exitus Elite will fit that perfectly for you. And you'll start getting these emails here, getting these $100 all the way up to $2,000 notifications, and it's a lot of fun, you guys. Sorry for these pop-ups on Facebook. I always try to close it down before I record, but somehow they keep popping back up again. Anyways, you guys, click the link down below this video now. Watch the presentation. Reach out to me if you have any questions, and I will help you get started and share my bonuses with you. And I look forward to helping you get set up and start earning with us. So I will see you on the inside. Have a great day. Take care.